pouring ale into a glass. That's all it is. If you don't like it, sod off. Like Child's Play 1 to 7. And I'll never get through it all if I, like with sitcoms, which I've been neglecting. And then we'll go to Ghoul. Ghoul, Goole. There's obviously the old Ghoul, which is the original one, but as it grew around the port and that, Ghoul was developed and got bigger. Anyway, there was a brilliant.
Nothing, only just sort of coming out the dustbin. What was the food like? Greasy. And the people? About the same. You don't sound very excited. Well, I'm not. Frontiers don't mean much to you. Not when you've driven across them like I have in a chill. It's very you, Rick. They're very hungry, 30. You must have to have a name of your tailor. You, man, be happy to have a private conversation. Well, I won't keep you. A word in your shell-like, Alan. Look, could we make it later tonight? And this evening's been a complete disaster. My suitcase collapsed. I was just lying there, staring up at it. You had this strange fixation. Well, I had any strange fixation. What was it? It was something to do with the sea. He'd arrived at her flat in oilskins. Oilskins? She put on waders in the sou'wester and asked to make the sound of a howling gale. She stood on the chair with buckets of water.
Apologize for the delay and thank you for your patience. Please continue to hold and we will be with you shortly.
Hollywood's hottest couple. What about me? Don't worry, Brenda. I've got that figured out too. You're going to be a real life girl.
Boy.
Ow. Well, I'm not getting pregnant again. I'll tell you that much. My mother always told me, once is a blessing, twice is a curse.
Well, that will explain your sister.
The only sensible option is...
Bolivian purse.
How's the world of pudding?
So fine, wonderful, Jimmy.
Good. On duty tonight, tactical exercises. Very poor common face.
Truck Manager is a multiplayer management game where you control your own trucking company. Create routes and transport various cargo to terminals all over the world. Yeah, you got this.
Producing thick black smoke. The heat was so great that firefighters approaching the sound struggled to get close enough to tackle the fire. Meanwhile, firefighters were also attempting to approach from the north, but were facing
That's Adam. Hey, shake hands. Genuine natural plastic.
Plastic skeleton?
Oh yes, unbreakable. Look at that. $10 a turn.
Oh, that's not much.
Per share. Share? Oh yes, we all have a small interest in Adam.
You must question you. I can kill you. And above all, this is success. I thank you. I implore you to march forward together. All of you, and the mighty man.
Do-do. I just done my rice now. I've got to do me shite in a tin, as Gusher calls it.
Nothing me next, darling. I'm driving. Ah, right. Well, that's a small gin for vanilla and a large banana juice for Mulia. Cheeky monkey. Straight up. My good boy, it's a pity when I miss your first cutbacks.
Yeah, I'm playing on this.
No, oh, no, he wouldn't care. He will. He would. But if you wanted a clean show, who would you choose? I'm sorry. Oh, bloody hell. Well, you can all be it. Ah, no. Well, I can make it go rugger. That's the thing. No, count me out too, man. Sorry, mate. Yes, well. Hey, you could do this in Swindon's anthem if we clean it up a bit. You're joking.
Because it's crammed so full of delicious fair trade cookie dough chunks, it's hard to keep a lid on. And at Jerry's, more is more.
Yes, it's lager and it's Carling.
Now we're back. This is Maziada. Again, just thwarted by Tom Brennan. And Rowley. O'Shea.